with Jess. Today is the Ohio Buckeye Bake Off. A tablespoon of honey, so I am going to set my bread maker to sweet bread. That's program 1 and baking control medium. So I guess that's not the way I expected things to work out. I hope you're as excited as I am. Today I'm going to make blueberry keto loaf bread. So let's get started. I'm going to do 2 cups of almond flour. I am going to do 1/4 of psyllium husk. One tablespoon of baking powder. One teaspoon of xanthan gum. A 1/3 cup of stevia, a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, we need 1 tablespoon of yeast. That is our dry ingredients. Now we can start working on our wet ingredients. We're going to use 1/4 cup of butter, 2 eggs, a 1/2 cup of warm water, a tablespoon of honey. Of course, home-grown honey is better. This will help activate the yeast. A teaspoon of vanilla. And a cup of blueberries. I'm going to close the lid. So 2 sweet bread. I'm going to go ahead and put my settings on 2 for sweet bread.
Inches later, day 2, day 3, day 4, a few moments later.
My blueberry bread is now done. So I'm going to open this up, and I've let it completely cool. I'm going to unlock it and pull it out. really good. Alright, thank you for joining Keto Homestead with Jess, and I can't wait to see what you create for the Ohio Buckeye Bake Off Keto Low Carb Bread Challenge. I hope to see you soon.